future Shanxi. Diba? Maganda ng mga gowns nila. Okay. For the criteria in formal and long gown competition, gowns and suits are told or provided by our organizer, and one of which is Mr. Mark Hernandez and by Lord Tailoring. Candidates will be scored from 1 to 10 points, 10 being the highest and 1 being the lowest. Long gown and formal wear is 10% of the total score in the selection of final 5. Okay? And next competition, Sir Marky?
And now, let us proceed to the next part of our batch. To test the readiness of our candidates, let us proceed to our question and answer portion, in which every candidate will get a question from a fishbowl, and each candidate will be given 2 minutes to answer the question. But before that, here are the mechanics in question and answer portion. First, candidates will draw a question from a ball. Question will be read twice by the MC. The candidate will be given a maximum of 2 minutes to answer. Second, candidates will be judged based on the content of the witness in answering the question. Third, candidates will be scored from 1 to 25, 25 being the highest and 1 being the lowest. And fourth, question and answer is 25% of the total score in the selection of the final 5.
Okay, thank you, Sir Marky. So we will start with the primary level. So yung mga intermediate level, grade 4, 5, and 6, you can go back to that stage. Okay. Which will be announced later this afternoon. Okay, candidate number 1.
Candidate number 1 for Little Miss Governor Rafael Integrated School.
Ayan na.
Okay. So parang napakabigat ng gown niya. Okay. Ayan. Bubunot siya from our fishbowl. Darling, dito. Ayan.
Ay, gusto ko yan yung kabati.
Sige, Sir Marky. Okay, darling. Ayan. And your question is? Kinig ka, darling, ah. Kung magkakaroon ka ng pagkakataon na makausap ang presidente ng Pilipinas, ano ang sasabihin mo sa kanya at bakit? Okay, again, kung magkakaroon ka ng pagkakataon para makausap mo si Pinoy, anong sasabihin mo sa kanya and bakit mo sasabihin yun?
Para po makasama po lahat ng pamilya. Sinabi po.
Okay, again, ulit.
Para po makasama po ang pamilya para sabi ni Noyno.
Okay, so ibig sabihin gusto niya laging makasama yung family niya. Ano pa? Yun lang? Okay, thank you. Candidate
Thank you very much, candidate number 1.
Okay, palakpakan po natin. Okay, next. Candidate number 2. Darling, dito ka. Yeah. Okay. Your question is, sino ang paborito mong artista at bakit? Again, sino ang paborito mong artista at bakit?
Si
Marian Rivera. Bakit mo paborito si Marian Rivera?
Kasi po palagi po tumutulong sa mga po mahirap po na bata.
Okay, so sabi niya, lagi niyang tinutulungan yung mahirap na bata. Okay, very good. Thank you, candidate
Thank you very much,
number 2.
candidate number 2.
Let us proceed with candidate number 3. bakit? So ano ang paborito mong kulay at bakit?
Pink.
Oh, bakit pink?
Kasi po ano po, maganda po.
Okay, so pink daw kasi maganda. Okay, thank you, candidate
Thank you very much, candidate number 3.
Next, let's proceed with candidate number 4. Dito ka, darling. Yan. Okay, yung tanong mo, kung ikaw ay isang pagkain, anong klaseng pagkain at bakit?
Gulay po kasi po masanta siya sa katawan.
Okay, very
Ayan,
good.
gusto niya maging gulay. Thank you very much, candidate number 4.
5. Baka mo, darling. Ano ang ginawa mong preparasyon para manalo ka sa pageant na ito?
Palagi pong mag-smile at saka ano po, palagi pong masikip.
Okay, thank you, candidate number 5.
Thank you very much, candidate number
Last but not the least, candidate number
Number
6. Mahirap gawin. And your question is, kung ikaw ay isang hayop, ano ang gusto mong maging at bakit?
Gusto ko pong maging,
Nakita yung teddy bear, oh. Gusto mong maging?
gusto ko pong maging chicken.
Bakit chicken?
Kasi po para po makain po ng iba.
Okay. Thank you,
Thank you very
candidate
much,
number
candidate number
6.
6.